This box is a torquing kit. All of the parts that are in this box are parts that I will use and need in order to install the K connector on the module and the DC pins on the module. So this is the torquing kit box. It comes with about 6 or 7 pieces with a couple of wrenches on the side. So once you have all this, then you have all you need to install K connectors, glass beads, and the DC pins onto the module here. So once you get that, you're all done. It's ready to go. This is how we install the DC pins and the K connector. This is a K connector, and this is a DC pin. The K connector, this is what it is, and this is what it looks like. This is what you call the K connector installing figure. So that's the K connector, and these are the DC pins. These pins we will be installing 12 on the module. And as you can already see that I've already installed one, and I will install another one so that you can have a really good look at how it's done. These DC pins are screwable, so you can screw them inside of the module and you can unscrew them when you want to take them out. So as you can see that I have already installed one and I'm installing another one. Just finger tight. So this is the torquing wrench, and this is the torquing tool that we torque the DC pin in with. Okay? And so this is what we torque. So you just put it on here like that. It fits right in there, and you just torque it in, just finger tight. Okay? And when you're done, you can take this tool off and place it back. And this is what you call the K connector. As you can already see that it's already been installed on the side of the module. So one would go here and one would go here. As you can see, I've already installed this one. And the tools that we need to install this would be the K connector install fixture. That's what this is. Okay? So we would screw this on, finger tight. You see it? Just like that, until it stops. Once it stops, then we get the torquing tool, 5/16 of socket. Once that fits right on there. So once it goes on, you will hold the module down, put this on, and turn it until you hear it click. Once it clicks, it's set in there. You can only take it out if you only use the wrenches to take it out. So once you're done, you can take these apart, place it back in the box, and get these 5/16 2 wrenches, place them diagonally at a V shape, and just squeeze them together. When you squeeze them together, then they're done, and you've installed it. And you can take them right out like that. It screws right out like this. That's in there. Unless you get ready to take it out, then you do it reverse. So this is the K connector installment fixture right here. And we use this one to install the K connector. And we use this one to install the DC pins.